smoked olives. All right, guys, real quick, I'm gonna bring you in here and show you what we're working with here. So we've got 4 coals and 5 or 6 small pieces of hickory. Temperature doesn't much matter on this because we're not actually cooking these olives, we're just throwing some smoke on them. What's up, YouTube? Hope Nickel Barbecue back with you again. It's a nice day out today. First time we've had sun in months. Anyways, we're gonna do a real simple recipe. All it requires are some olives. You can use big olives, little olives, ones with pimento, without, and some wood. I'm gonna take these olives and put them in a bowl real quick. That way you get the juice out, and then we'll put them on the grill and see how they turn out. Stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, we've already got smoke forming. We're just gonna take our olives and set them on the grate as far away from the fire as we can get them. Then we're gonna let these basically cook for about an hour. Try to keep some space around them all. All right, we'll get the lid back on, bring it back in about an hour. All right, guys, we're back. It's been about an hour. These things have some pretty color. Get these off, let them cool off, take a bite, let you know what it tastes like. Hey guys, I get asked quite a bit, how do you join the Hobo Nickel Army? The thing at the end of the video that shows people's channel names. All you gotta do is just leave a comment and say, hey, I wanna be in the Army. I'll put your channel name at the end. That's pretty much it. All right, let's get back to olives. All right, guys, let's see how we did. That's amazing. You get that wood flavor on there. What I read, it says right now they're going to be amazing. Tomorrow will be even more amazing, amazinger. So you might want to run these, let them sit in the fridge overnight, and then give them a try. All right, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Don't hit the bell. You guys know I don't give a crap. Later.